I'm Julianne Lamsek, Technology Director at KCTS-9. I've worked at KCTS-9 for more than 6 years, and I've served on the PBS Interactive Station Advisory Council for the past 2. I received one of the Digital Future Scholarships to attend the 2012 PBS Annual Meeting in Denver. I'd like to express my thanks and sincere gratitude towards PBS Interactive and the sponsor 3 Pillars Global for enabling me to take advantage of this amazing opportunity. At the conference, I really enjoyed having the opportunity to talk with others about the work of PBS Interactive and the work of the Station Advisory Council. In addition to the great networking, I found the conference to be thought-provoking, inspiring, and informative. The parts of the conference that were probably the most informative and inspiring for me were getting to see previews of the upcoming programming for PBS. For example, Half the Sky is a documentary that's coming out this October that looks like it will be absolutely incredible. Other programming includes Market Warriors, which looks very interesting, as well as an animated children's series called Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Now, just to tell you a little bit about Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, when I was a kid, I used to watch Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, and I loved it. Well, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is an animated series from the Fred Rogers Company, and the characters that are in Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood are the children of the characters that were in Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. So, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood will be, I'm sure, enjoyed very much by the children that watch it, but also by their parents. In my community in Seattle, when I tell people that I work for KCTS-9, I often hear them say, "Oh, you work for KCTS. I love KCTS-9. I watch Masterpiece or Nova or Frontline or Nature," whatever program they happen to watch. They share that with me, and it means a lot to me to work in public media and to be able to, to actually see the programming. I think it's really important to know what the programming is that we're going to be providing for the community, because it is what we do, and it is incredibly meaningful to me to work in a place where the programming matters, and it's valued, and it's making a difference in people's lives. Now, in terms of the conference being thought-provoking and inspiring, I really enjoyed the future-looking aspects of the PBS annual meeting. Jason Sykin had a presentation at the annual meeting. He did a presentation on illustrating the need for public media to reignite its entrepreneurial spirit. And along with that, the keynote presenter, Jim Collins, had somewhat of a similar message, like public media needs to hold on to its values and core purpose, but everything else is up for change. Thinking about changing, innovating. And he asked a question that I thought was pretty interesting. The question was, if PBS were to disappear, who would miss it and why? And what his answer was? Well, the answer probably has something to do with local.